Error definition. Numerical errors arise from the use of approximations to represent exact mathematical operations and quantities. These include truncation error and round-off errors. Truncation errors occur when approximations are used to represent exact mathematical procedures. Round-off errors occur when numbers having limited significant figures are used to represent exact numbers. Numerical error is equal to the discrepancy between the truth and the approximation. Relative error is the order of magnitude of the value under examination. The magnitude of the quantities being evaluated is determined by normalizing the error to the true value. True percent relative error is the true fractional relative error multiplied by 100%. Percent tolerance is a pre-specified acceptable level.